Today, we're going to be installing our 6-inch black galvanized thumb latch. To complete today's installation, you'll need a pencil, a drill, a 1/8 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch drill bits, T20 Torx bit, an adjustable wrench, a 13mm socket, and a wood chisel. Start by placing the handle on the front side of the gate to determine a comfortable height for the thumb latch. Use a pencil to mark the height of the thumb latch hole on the side of the gate as a reference point. Move to the back side of the gate and line up the mark with the bottom of the latch. Using a pencil, trace the inside of the opening for the thumb lever. Using a 1/2 inch drill bit, drill 2 holes in the bottom half of the marked section. Use a wood chisel to join the 2 drill holes, creating a rectangle. Insert the thumb lever sideways into the handle. Once it's fully inserted, rotate the lever 90 degrees to lock it in place. Place the thumb lever through the opening in your gate. Then use a pencil to mark the top and bottom holes on the handle. Next, use an 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill the hole for the top hole of the handle. Pre-drill about 1 inch deep, making sure not to go all the way through your gate. Use a 3/8 drill bit for the bottom mark for the handle, making sure to drill all the way through your gate. Now you'll need to drill that same hole from the back side of the gate to accommodate the 1 9/16 inch lag bolt, nut, and washer. Use a 3/4 inch drill bit to widen the hole, leaving about 1 inch of material. Insert the lag bolt from the front side to check the depth, making sure the lag bolt is sticking through at least 1/2 inch to accommodate for the washer and nut. Use a 13mm socket to fasten the screw for the top of the handle. Insert the bolt into the bottom of the handle and add the washer, then the nut to the other end. Use a 13mm socket to tighten the nut while using an adjustable wrench to prevent the bolt from spinning. Place the latch system over the thumb latch and mark the 4 corner screw holes. Attach with the provided screws using a T20 Torx bit. Close the gate and align the latch to the catch and mark the screw locations. Secure the provided screws using a T20 Torx bit. Slide the latch over quickly to lock your gate. Add a padlock for extra security. And that's it! You've successfully installed our 6-inch thumb latch. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.